Hi, in this video, I would like to share how I prepare beef marinade in advance so I can pan-sear for anytime quick meals or festivities. So here I'm using 3 pounds of beef and I already sliced them into smaller pieces. Also in this batch, the ingredients added are approximate for myself, but for anyone who would follow, you can use 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda for tenderizing. I also use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of lemon or vinegar. Here, I already coated the beef slices with the soy and lemon juice and baking powder. And so, I'm just sprinkling straight the onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper. After that, I place them all in a large resealable plastic bag. So whenever I want them, I just take few slices from the fridge the night before to let them thaw out before cooking. This helps to cook more evenly and quickly the beef. Then I just use a pan and set it on medium-high heat for a few minutes, and then adding with a little bit of oil, I let it heat up until it's shimmering. The cooking time depends on the thickness of the beef and the desired level of doneness. So for the Larry, I make it about 3 minutes per side. 3 to 5 minutes is okay. Or I simply cut into the beef to check the inside. So I hope you try this recipe. It's practical and I find it easy to prepare once they are marinated. I like to prepare it for Larry when he goes to work, and I pair it with cucumber and avocado on the side. Also sometimes with slices or chunks of pineapple fruit. Okay, so that's it po. I hope you like it. You try it as well and let me know how it works for you. Thank you so much and God bless po. Bye.